My name's Jacob Favacho. I'm a student here at North Metropolitan TAFE, and I'm studying a Certificate 3 in Commercial Cookery. Reason I chose to study this course, I think I was just at a point where I wasn't getting challenged enough at work. I was at a job where I was kind of doing the same thing and was in an office 7 till 5, so I've always liked cooking. It's always been a passion of mine. I figured I'd try step out my comfort zone, go back and study. I hadn't studied since high school, so it's been 7 years. But yeah, bite the bullet, give it a shot, and it's probably the best decision I've ever made. The lecturers here, I think they're really good. Pretty much all of them, they've been in the industry for a long time, and there's a variety of them. I mean, you've got some young lecturers and some old ones, so they each provide a different perspective on the way they cook food, their attitude and their philosophy towards food and the way they do things, so it's really good having that kind of diversity amongst the lecturers to taking their point of view. It takes a certain type of person, I think, to become a chef. I was kind of umming and ahhing when I started the course, and now looking back at it now, yeah, it's a really good decision, so I think you learn a lot about yourself as well. But no, 100% I definitely recommend people, especially if they have a passion for food, to come study commercial cookery.